Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves everything about beauty and organization, you're going to appreciate today's review. We're diving into the Yaheetech Rolling Makeup Train Case, a stylish and practical solution for anyone who's looking to store and transport their beauty tools in an efficient way. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just someone who loves to keep your beauty products neatly organized, this case might just be the answer. The Yaheetech Rolling Makeup Train Case is designed to streamline your beauty storage and make your life a little easier. This case combines functionality with a sleek, professional look, perfect for those who want to keep their makeup, tools, and accessories in top shape. It's made of durable ABS material, which offers excellent abrasion resistance, so it's lightweight but tough. You also get an aluminum pull rod, which ensures smooth operation while being rust-resistant. What really sets this case apart, though, is its thoughtful design. The trolley sits on 4 quality wheels, which allow for quiet and effortless movement. And the detachable wheels? Brilliant! If one breaks, you can replace it easily without having to replace the entire case. Plus, the hexagon tube pull handle ensures excellent steadiness and durability as you glide it around. Inside, the case offers multiple compartments, including 4 sliding drawers that are perfect for smaller items like lipsticks, nail polish, and hairpins. There's also a large top compartment that can hold bigger items like curling irons, hairsprays, and palettes, so everything has its place. I've been using this case for a few weeks now, and I have to say it's incredibly convenient. It makes getting ready so much easier. Everything is organized and within reach. I love how lightweight and sturdy it is, and the fact that it locks for added security is a huge plus. It's perfect for travel too. Whether you're a pro who's always on the go, or just need something sturdy to keep your beauty essentials secure. One of the standout features for me is the security. The 2 lockable clamps with keys give me peace of mind that my expensive beauty tools are safe and sound, even when I'm moving around. The sturdy construction ensures that everything stays protected, so you don't have to worry about your makeup breaking or spilling. However, like with any product, there are a couple of things to consider. The case is quite large, so if you're someone who travels light or doesn't need all the compartments, this might feel a bit bulky. The weight can add up when it's fully packed, so keep that in mind if you're traveling with it for long distances. But for its purpose, it's extremely well designed and practical. As far as value for money goes, this case offers a solid deal. It's priced competitively for the quality you get. The materials used are durable, the design is practical, and the overall build is strong enough to withstand regular use. You won't find many rolling makeup cases at this price that offer the same level of durability and features. Comparing this to other similar products, I'd say it holds its own. While there are other options out there, what makes this case stand out is its sturdy wheels and the clever sliding drawers. Some other cases are more basic, and while they may be cheaper, they lack the thoughtful design that this one offers. If you're looking for a solid alternative, there are other rolling makeup cases on the market, but they tend to be more expensive or lack the versatility and compartments this one has. So if you don't mind investing a little more, you can find cases with even more features, but this one offers great value for a reasonable price. In terms of build quality, I was impressed. The ABS material used is light, but it's tough enough to protect your products. The aluminum pull rod ensures smooth and easy operation, and the wheels provide a smooth, stable roll. While I didn't have any direct contact with customer support, Yaheetech has a reputation for providing solid customer service. The fact that they include keys for the lockable clamps shows attention to detail, and overall, the product feels like a good investment. So, would I recommend the Yaheetech Rolling Makeup Train Case? Absolutely. It's an excellent option for anyone who needs a reliable, well-designed makeup case with ample storage space. Whether you're a makeup artist, a beauty enthusiast, or someone who needs to keep their products organized while traveling, this case delivers on both function and style. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future reviews on Beautyistic. Your support helps us bring you more honest, in-depth content like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.